What's in the box? What's in the box? What's your guess? What's your guess that's in this big old thing? Ta-da! It's a Tong Yang! It's a Tong Yang! Sorry I haven't been posting much. I was in the grind to get the car, the XB, ready for the inspection, which did not go well. And I don't know. I needed a couple days to kind of regroup. So anyway, this is what happened. When you go to inspection, you have to have a documented receipt for every body part that you use. Any part that is serialized. Like obviously like a valve stem or a wheel doesn't have a VIN number on it, but a fender does, and typically a bumper cover does, and a core support does, and an airbag does. All these things that I've, replaced on the car. So core support, that was fine. Airbag, that was fine. But the bumper cover was just a sale from a buddy. My buddy, I met him through getting the bumper cover. A guy named Scott hooked me up with the bumper cover. But we did not document the transaction. You're supposed to have a notarized bill of sale for that part and a VIN number from the vehicle that it came from, if applicable. Well, we did not do that. So that was a discrepancy. Secondly, I got a fender from a junkyard in Cincinnati. Very nice people. In fact, what they did kind of screwed me in the end. The fender that I originally was supposed to get was in rough shape, so they exchanged it for a one in better condition. But then when they wrote the receipt up for me, they did not change the VIN number for the fender on the receipt. So when the gentleman that was inspecting my car looked at it, he said, "Hey, this doesn't match." And I said, "Oh boy, is my face dirt on my face? Am I tickled pink? Whatever." I was embarrassed. It looked like I wasted this man's time for nothing. So that's why we're here. I ordered this bumper cover off of eBay. So it's going to have a receipt for it that I can now show the gentleman. I just got to print it out. And then one or two things are going to happen. I'm going to either go and get my receipt fixed for the fender that's on it, or I'm just going to find another one that matches in color. Hopefully. I've got a line on one that I'm looking for. I'm just waiting on a call back. So, the next time I go and get this inspected, all my stuff should be good. That's where we are now. That is the update that I have for you right now. But what was nice is I got to drive the car for a day. Car drives very good. I got to basically did an interior detail on the car, and everything's great. I can't wait to drive it more because it drives really good. And after this inspection, I've got some lowering springs for that joint. To get it sitting how all the rest of my cars sit. So, yeah, that's what happens. So, I got like 2 more weeks and then I go back. And I'm going to be ready with bells on. Cheers.